Okay, so what I want to show you guys in this video is how you can use earbuds with your Xbox One and how I use them. So I have the computer open right now, but you don't need the computer open. I just have it open to show you guys. I personally use these earbuds right here. The Apple ones that I have, the white ones, they don't work. So if you watch a video that says they work, the Apple earbuds, they do not work. Because I've seen so many fake videos on it for some reason, but you have to have a computer with Windows 10, so make sure you have a computer with Windows 10. Download the Xbox app in the App Store, and what you're going to want to do is go to the app, open it up, make sure your mic's plugged into your computer just like normal. And then first thing you're going to want to do when you open up the app is make sure that you're logged into the account that you're logged into on your Xbox. So then you're going to go to the app, click settings, this little gear right here, and then you're going to go over to the over anywhere. You're going to go to general, and then where it says headphones, you're going to make sure you click the headphones that you're using. And then where it says microphone, use the microphone on the computer that you're using. So you can see I have a USB microphone plugged in. So I click on it, save it, and then we go to our party option in the right side where all your friends are. Right next to it there's an option that says parties. You start a party, and as you guys can see right here, my mic started to move and you can see that it works. So I'm talking through my USB mic, and then when I want friends in here, I just go to invite to party, click on this blank space, and then invite whoever I want to invite to the party. So that's how you use a USB mic or any microphone on Xbox One. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.